Hi students, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to discuss about percentages, rapid shortcuts tricks. Method 1. Question number 1. 60 percentage of 75. So a little harder. So just interchange the location. 75 percentage of 60. Now it's easy. How? So 75 means it's a 3 upon 4. It's multiplied by 60. Now it is equivalent to 15. So 3 times of 15 is equal to 45. Next one. 42 percentage of 50. It is equivalent to 50 percentage of 42. That means 1 upon 2 times 42. So it is equivalent to 21. Next one. 16 percentage of 25. So it is equivalent to 25 percentage of 16. The meaning 1 by 4 is multiplied by 16. So the value is 4. Next one. 44 percentage of 150. So it is equivalent to 150 percentage of 44 or 15 percentage of this 0 is moving here for 40. So 10 percentage is equal to 44, then 5 percentage is 22. So now the value is 66. Now method 2. Question number 1. 30 percentage of 40. So it's easy. So just cancelling these two zeros and multiply. 3 times 4, the value is 12. So the 30 percentage of 40 is just 12. Number 2. 20 percentage of 18. Oh, there is no 0 in this position. So it's easy. So just cancelling this 0 and make a point here. That means 2 times of 1.8 is equal to 3.6. Now the same way, 30 percentage of 11. So the same process, cancelling this 0 and make a point here. The meaning 3 times of 1.1, that is equal to 3.3 is the answer. Number 4. 15 percentage of 40. So cancel this 0 and make a point here. 1.5 times 4, it is equivalent to 6. Thank you.